everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dark Cloud. In the last part, we did the remaining floors of the Undersea Treasury, the shipwreck, and we completed the Georama. All it's looking now to do is to rebuild this place and take on the final boss of this area. So we gotta rip all this stuff up, and then we'll see what everybody wants. Alright. So, let's go from one list and move down. So, Rudy's shop, start with you. Any requests on building queens? Let's see. It'd be nice to be somewhere where it's convenient to carry fish from the port. So, you want to be near the ports. That seems easy enough. So, from the port, probably like around here, right? Wait, how far can I move you? Right there. Alright, so that's satisfied. The next up is this place. Warriors Washery. I don't know why I'm like lagging severely. Game, please. Why am I lagging? Is it fucking Adobe? Hang on, let me figure this out. Is Adobe updating in the background? And nothing's updating. So why is my game running like super slow? I might have to restart the emulator. I don't know why it's running like super slow. Hang on, let me restart the emulator. 1 second. Where do you want to be? Well, let me see. I think it'd be wonderful to be near a water fountain. Well, that's simple then. We got a water fountain to use. The store, Lana store, where do you want to go? Well, it's about my son Jake. Or Jack. I always get Jake and Jack mixed up. See, or no, it is Jake. Seems like it seems like he is always with Mr. King, and I worry about him. If it's possible, could you put my house near Mr. King so I can watch over him? I'd feel much better. First of all, this isn't a house, it's a store. Alright. Jack. This is Jack. Oh yeah, I forgot there's chests in here too, so I gotta check each building too. I should check around the shops too as well. Not sure why there's a slowdown though. Mimic breaker. How can I rebuild your stuff? Let me see. Well, if you say so, I'd really appreciate if you could put me near the watery. Water is something we all need, right? Okay, that's simple. So you'll go where the water fountain will eventually go. Jokers. I guess I could have visited each place before ripping them up, huh? Would have been easier. Oh. You have anything in here? No? Okay. I didn't want to do that. How can I rebuild queens? I'm relieved I don't need to see that guy Wilder's face. Okay, so he doesn't want to be near the sheriff. Okay, that's easy. You're already satisfied, so put you nowhere near the sheriff. Alright. You... Anything in here that I can't see? Well, the white snake dwell in the dividing house likes to see the rising sun. understand? Rising sun. Okay, I gotta figure out which direction the rising sun is. And obviously, it ain't south. Okay, so she wants to face that way. So as long as she's facing that way, good. So her requirement's pretty much satisfied already. We got the cathedral. Alright. Where does the cathedral guy want to go? Hey guy. The town is a source of sacred power. If the cathedral is close to the tower, it'll be easier for me to listen to God's words. And I want the cathedral to face the ocean so I can pray to calm the spirit of the queen who threw herself into it. Okay, that's easy. That is easy to do. So he needs to face that way. Now, okay, I got 3 more buildings to check. Basket store. Anything up here that I might have spawned? Aha! Ice! Anything in here? Nothing spawned in here last time. Ah, nothing, huh? Alright, guy. Where do you want to put your place? Oh, fuck, it's shuttered. God damn it. That's right. These places shut their doors when it's nighttime. Which means the other places they've shut their doors as well. So I gotta wait. Oh, fuck. Put that on. Waiting for the doors to open up. Okay, now I can take the speedy option off. What's over here? Map displayment, density. Oh. Alright, guy, where do you want to be? Well, nothing particular, but there is a belief that having a business in a higher place brings more business. I guess that's what I would like. So he wants to be on the, so he just wants to be on the higher elevation. Okay, that's simple. Alright, so he just wants to be up here somewhere. So I'll just throw you up there. And that satisfies his requirements. So that's easy. And I'll rearrange things as I go. You, I know you want, I need to put you next to that one store. But where do you want to be? But do you have anything up here? I don't think I see anything on the roof. No. No, there's nothing on the roof. Alright. Anything in here that I can't see? Hey King, where do you want to go? Is it okay for me to my deluxe car to be driven over dirt? That's no good, is it, boy? So he just wants a road. I see a chest. Bomb? Where am I in HP and water, by the way? I'm missing 2 Fruits of Eden, and I'm still missing 1 gourd somewhere. Let me check my inventory. Do I have any of that? I do not. But then again, I don't think I've checked around the port area, so... Alright. So, you just want to have a road. That's easy. Sheriff, I can't put you near the shop I put down the lower platform, so... That platform's out of the question. Where the hell are you at? Can I talk to you? I think it's better ask the sheriff. God damn. Alright. Sheriff, where you at? There you are. Seems like the king is cooking up more some mischief, and I want to have to keep an eye on him. Keep that in mind, please. He just wants to face the king, so if I just... I'm at, 39, so if I move you down there... Okay, so he just has to be in view of King's house, like direct view, so that's simple. Okay, so, let's see here. Plana, okay, so you want to be near the fountain. You're already good where you're at. Joker doesn't want to be near the sheriff. Or where the fuck did Jack want to go? Oh, I think he wanted to be near the water, so he needs to be near the washery. You're already satisfied, and you want to be near the you want to be near the king. So, well, you want to be near the tower, so I could just stick this up. $60. Man, I could have the cathedral there. How far back can I have it? Right there. And then this, no, it's fine. Alright, so... First of all, this is what I want to know. His luxurious car, right? Where the fuck is he gonna go with this thing? See, he can't make these incredibly sharp turns, first of all. Second of all, there's no road for his car to go anywhere, so what purpose does the car serve? There's no, like, highway for the car to take. Alright. This guy wants a road. Basker, what the fuck did Basker want? I don't fucking remember. I'll have to go back up Basker's. But you want a road. How many roads do I have? 30 road? Oh, that's plenty. I didn't do anything. Do I have a dirt? How do I do this? How do I do this? Do I have to have it like direct? But it is directly in front of. Does it have to be like? How do you? What? I'm confused. What? How do I do this? He doesn't want to be driving on dirt. I don't understand. I don't understand. Guy, I need you to elaborate. Car's doing me. Oh, I guess. I guess that was it. I didn't even realize. So I must have moved some. So. I'm so confused. Wasn't it already 60? I know I moved road. Oops. Man, it's still at 6. Oh, I can move that road. Remove. All right. Do these guys have anything to say? All right. What did Basker want? Nowadays, it's not bad. Well, I didn't mean believe in that high place rumor. Oh, God, oh, that's right. You want to be on the high plateau. That's right. And it was Lana that wants to be near the King's Tunnel, right? Yes. Oops. No! Still not satisfied. It's just okay. That's fine, I guess. How's your shop's facing the wrong way? I think. Yes, it is. No, not it's facing that way. It's kind of hard to tell which way. Alright, that's fine, I guess. You... I'll stick you there. Well, oh. I can't get you any close to the road. You're fine. Alright, so that's fine. You want to be near the port. You want to be near water. So... let me move these guys. You don't want to be near the sheriff, so you're good. Jack... I think you want to be near the water, too. So, let me move you down here, because there's nothing going on down here. Kind of a weird place to stick you, but it's fine. Now, you want to be near the water. Well, let me see here. This could be the centerpiece down here. Alright. Jack's store. Well, I can move Yuri's store down here. That'd be fun, right? Because I know you want to be near well... 90. Who's not satisfied? Who's not satisfied? So you're good. Who isn't satisfied? A guy. I don't need to see well. Okay, so you're good. Your request has been satisfied. Ugh. All right, so I don't have to do anything with you. Maybe this is another case where I had to beat the final boss, like a Naroon. Shine the cathedral now, even more blessed. Okay, so you're good. Maybe it's one of those things where I had to beat the boss of this place. I gotta readjust your store. Oops. Okay, so she's satisfied. Nope. Alright, so you're good. Jack. Alright, so I guess he's satisfied. You. Reactor goes the same. Okay, so you're satisfied. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm 10 deals short. I know I can move you. Well, no, you're good. All right. Okay, so I think you're good. Hey, guy. Okay, so it looks like you're not satisfied. What the fuck do I gotta do for you? Do I gotta move you closer? How close do you gotta be? You're like staring right at him. Do I have to put him next to him? I'll put the road back. Alright, there we go. We did it! Hooray! I will throw everything else down in a little bit. All the roads, all the trees. It's not the most beautiful place compared to like Naroon, but oh, the text box. It's glitching out. Ah, Tone, thanks for stopping by. Not only did you restore the town of Queens, but you even made it better by accommodating people's requests. I don't know how to thank you. How should I reward you with something? I should reward you something. No, that's alright. You don't have to. Let's see. These days it's gotten dangerous. I think you need a powerful weapon. What do you give me? That shotgun on your wall? Oh, here it is. Please accept this. Ooh. I think that's a... What is that? The Macho Sword. Originally, it was meant as a birthday present for my nephew in Naroon Village. But he sent it back saying a man should fight with his own hands, not with weapons. It's no good just sitting here. I'd rather have you use it. It's special, so take good care of it. Oh. Thanks, buddy. Great. I'll have a memento of Macho. Alright. Let me look at that. It's a pretty powerful sword. I mean, it's not as strong as the lamb sword, but no, it's pretty strong. Alright. You got some more diorama to lay down. So it's just roads and trees, huh? Okay. Alright. I mean, I can move you closer. Closer. I mean, that's a pretty odd road setup if you ask me. I could probably remove that. Remove that. I don't need that extra road, right? Oops. Okay. Alright. Guess I can't really do anything with you, huh? Because it's kind of, well... I was gonna put roads down here, but I really can't. I could, but... Well, I can always move... Oh, let's do this. Well, no. Actually, yeah, let me do this. As long as she's by the water, she'll be good. Oops. So let's move this right there. Oops. Stick that there. I mean, not great. I can always move. Do this. Bam! There we go. Now let's stick some trees around here. Get this place livened up. 6. Do that there. I got one tree left. Obviously, it's not gonna be gorgeous. Bam. Alright. And I think that's all the diorama we can put down here. Yep. Alright. It's not the greatest place, you know, it's weird. It's no Naroon village, that's for sure. But we're done with building. So that's this town. So we gotta figure out. So when we ended the last part, we saw something. Wait, is that a chest or is that a sign? I don't know. That was just the barrels. Oh, I see a chest. Oh no. Oh yeah. Witch parfait? Yeah. Good, 'cause she's like her defense kind of blows at the moment. Alright, let me save states. Hell no. I either want 6 or 7. Oh wait, shit. Did I just save by accident? I did. Fuck. Oh well. Alright, well, there's the brakes. Misclicks. Misclicks at ahoy. I don't think there are any more chests laying out in the open here. I didn't see any, unless I'm just totally blind. But, so I also had to check near the pier. Is that a chest? That is a chest! Right there, too! Stone! Grass cake! Alright. Alright. Sweet, first try. Alright, is there any other chests lying about so that I can't see? Don't think there are any more. Not in here anyway. Okay. Nope. Alright. Let's go check out around the port area and Rando's store. I don't know why the game's slowing down. I don't understand why this is happening. Alright, there's nothing up here. Why is the game slowing down? What are you doing? It ran just fine earlier when I was messing around. Nothing over there. Alright. What's this? What are you gonna do? Gonna put this paper in this box. We're gonna put this paper in the music box, then lock it. This box is our promise to each other. You keep the music box, and I keep the key. It takes both of us to open this music box, and without us both, we can't read the message inside. What did you write? Ah, that's a secret. When we finally join as one forever, that's when we'll open this once again. Oh. Got a key. So where's Brando at? Where'd he go? He's gone. My buddy left me. All right. Where's that freeze amulet? I'm gonna need this. Yeah. So, where we're gonna need fire. So, we're gonna need ruby. Alright. We gotta go back to the dungeon, and we gotta go back to that. We gotta find that treasure box. Not treasure box. That music box. So I'm just gonna steamroll through that one floor real quick, and I will be right back. No sense of going through the whole floor again. You know what? I don't care. Okay, YouTube, we're back. We reached the end of this dungeon. Let's put this music key in. Saia, wonder how many years later that you'll be reading this. The opening of this music box signifies us overcoming our different status in society and joining as one. But I know that we would never be blessed by all to be together. But still, the two of us from the future have decided the place will probably be a church at night, just the two of us. There will never be anyone blessing your future with a man of such low status. It is I, from the past, I send these heartfelt words to you. Congratulations, Your Majesty. Oh. Check this place out. I've been waiting for you for a long time. Here, at the bottom of the ocean. Ugh. Oh boy. This lady's a bitch, if I remember correctly. I need Ruby while she's encased in ice. This lady's a fucking bitch. I hate fighting this lady. That'll happen too. Ruby's so frozen. Oh, she's dead. Okay. So I believe I have to hit her while she's... I have that bear and I use Ruby to, attack her. So Ruby, I'm gonna need to throw a stamina drink on you. This fucking thing is useless to me. Stop. I think I have to actually use it? I don't know how these amulets work. I never use these fucking amulets. You know what? I'm gonna have Goro take that hit. Oh yeah. Oh, I switched. Oh, god damn it. Ah! Alright, now I gotta switch to tone. While that bear is up. Repeat the process. Bit of annoying. No, turn! doing me shit. Can you not stop freezing out with the ambulance to go with this boss? This is why I don't use ambulance, because I don't know how they fucking work. Okay. Sorry, Goro. You gotta take that hit. Oh wait, I already hit you. Die, lady! Bitch! My bitterness lives on. Oh. Who's this? Oh, it's Rando! What's up, buddy? How the fuck did you get here? I've always wanted. I wish I was able to return to that day. Sorry. I think I'm a bit late. I immediately realized it after you were gone. Eternal life was meaningless for me. I was waiting all along. I was certain. I thought surely you would come. But you did not come. As time passed by, my heart became cold. I've been kept alive for 100 years by that sphere now, but living without you was like a world with time stopped. I felt as if I was left all alone in a desert. Foreshadowing. I was never bitter towards you. I just wanted to see you. Just one more time. Saia, I know you won't forgive me now, but please believe me when I say I've always... Say no more, I know. It's alright. You're here now, aren't you? Saia. So you're the guy, huh? How the fuck are you alive? I'm sorry, Tone. Here, this is for you. Oh, the moon orb! I got it! You were looking for it. A fruit vendor found it and gave it to me. I never needed it, but I've kept quiet to lead you here. I suppose I ended up using you. I'm sorry. I need you to win back Saia's heart. It's time for goodbyes. Thank you, Tone. Oh. Ready, Saia? Why the fuck did you need me for? This will end it all. The end of a long, empty time. Let's go back together. Oh. Back to that day. Alright. Well, I got the moon orb. What now? I guess I could go back to the moon peoples, right? The moon peoples! Yes, this is the one. We can now move the moon ship. Shall we go now? Alright, let's do it. Let's make it around here. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh god. This incantation. Total chop rum mandarina. What kind of incantation is this? Lucky Cookie Zucchini? Oh. Desert Temple. Doesn't look like anything's happening though. That's strange. It's not working. Great! All that work for nothing! The moonship is not reacting to the orb. What's happening here? Nam, sir, could it be that something's gone wrong at the Sun and Moon Temple where the moonship is stored? What could go wrong? I don't know. The Sun and Moon Temple is a sacred place for the ancient kings of the King of the Moon. What the fuck? Bammy Lumba, Hamo Lumba. God man, these names like Final Fantasy 14 all over again. Went to his internal rest. Internal rest, I saw that. That was not eternal, it's internal. If anything happens, it's our responsibility. Yes, indeed, but it's our duty here on this planet to maintain the Sun and Moon Temple. If anybody finds out that I neglected our duty, I'll be dismissed. We have to do something, or else we can't stay here. Deported, probably. I like it here. I don't want to leave this planet. Theo, do something, please! Aren't you supposed to be the chief? You say it like it's so easy. I haven't included it what to do. Visitors. Oh, it's Goro. You guys just keep on talking, huh? We have to go to that Sun Moon Temple. Tone, let's go. Who is this guy? Who is this again? Not a clue. Huh. Will you go to the Sun Moon Temple? Man, I really have no choice, do I? The moonship is stored in the deepest part of the temple. It really is hard for me to ask you such a thing, but I have work to do, you see, as mayor of the village. Theo will accompany you. Aw, come on! Nem, sir, that is not fair. There is no work to do as mayor of the village. Now, please take care of Theo. I should really look around here to see if there's chests that spawn in here, but I don't really know. I don't think there is. I entered the Sun and Moon Temple and its periphery on your world map. Now, shall we go? The Sun and Moon Temple. Cool. Transportation. Took you straight there. Love it. Here we are. This is the Sun and Moon Temple. Shall we go? Great. Fantastic. Oh no! You can enter from here. Let us go. Danger! Inside the temple. Huh? Who said that? Oh, hello. Hey guy, what's up? If you want to stay alive, turn back. Now. Hey guy, what are you doing out here? Oh, you know something, eh? What's happened in this temple? This temple is full of monsters. Evil from the sky did it, there's no doubt. The village too. He destroyed it. His evil's strong. No one can defeat it. It must be the Dark Genie, meaning that Muskalaka was destroyed as well. Muskalaka is a village of the Sand Warriors west of the temple. Are you from Muskalaka? Yes, he's Ungaga! Obviously, since we're naming him, he's gonna be our future party member. I'll talk more about him when we actually get him. I'm Ungaga. I'm not a very strong warrior. Couldn't protect the village. It was my responsibility. I was the only one who survived. It's so shameful. Ungaga? Wow, I know that name. Named the strongest of the Sand Warriors. Cool! I'm not cool at all. I'm weak. Too weak. Come on, let's go together. With Ungaga helped us, we'll have nothing to worry about. I'm weak. I'm no warrior. If I go, I'll be useless. I won't be a burden. I won't go. Oh, you look so sad. Tone, I need to talk to Ungaga for a while. Could you please go take a look in the temple on your own? Sure. I just can't leave a person in this state alone. I'll stay here with Ungaga. Please go ahead. Alright, great. I'm pretty sure there's no chests around here right now. Oh boy. So this area that we're coming up to now, this Muskalaka place in the Sun Moon Temple, this is probably like all the dungeons in the game and all the areas in the game that build on. This is my second least favorite place to build, and probably the worst dungeon in my opinion that I absolutely hate. I don't remember what pain in the ass monsters there are in here, but I'm sure I'll find them sooner or later. Alright, I'm going to save it. And I'm going to end this recording. So when we come back, we will head off into the Sun Moon Temple and see what ancient curse we can awaken. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you then. Later.